Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading info man. Today I would like to show you something special. Today I would like to show you the volume profile and the special analysis from Biti. So a little short video for Bitcoin. I think it's really interesting for you guys, not a financial advice. We are starting now. System activated. So we are starting the quick overview. Every coin is going up to the upside. We have no red coin here. If you're watching 25 Crypto, we can see it. No red coin. That's really amazing. We can see this really often, but now it is here. We have everything in green. Nice. If we are watching Bitcoin a little bit closer, we can see the trend for the Bitcoin is for the moment bullish, very bullish, 86.4 points. And we can see the time frame trend, 5 minute, 15, 30, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour is green. It's looking really nice. Only the 24 hours, the daily time frame is on 35 points. And that's not really nice, but okay, we have a nice and green bullish technical score, and that's good, guys. So move on. What is telling us CoinCodex? CoinCodex is telling us the price prediction, and it is telling us, attention, we are going down in the next 7 days. CoinCodex is telling us we will go down to 21,000. You can see this here on this chart picture. We have a fear and greed index with fear in the market, and we can see the sentiment is bullish with 54% and bearish with 46%. RSI, really important, guys, to watch this, not the RSI, it's the moving averages. And if we are watching the green one, this is the big fight for the moment. We saw here closing candles under the green one. Now we have it back again over the green one. It's a really hard fight. And CoinCodex is predicting us, attention, down again here, 21,000. After this, up to 25,000 and down again. Okay, let's check this one here. We have here the next 30 days. The prediction for the next 30 days, for the next week, it's red, down to 21,000. After this, it's nice and green, back up to 24,700, red again, 22,000. And then in August, we will see maybe 25,700. We will see maybe 26,600. 26,600 end of August. So maybe we'll go down now a little bit, and after this, a next nice pump to the upside. This is showing us CoinCodex. What else is showing us CoinCodex? And that's also really interesting. The prediction for today is not so good. We will go down minus 8.6%. But if you're watching the prediction for next week, minus 8.6%. Next month, 14.5% to the upside. Next year, let's check this one, 2023, plus about 123% possible, 24, 395% possible, 25, 1000% possible. This is a prediction, guys, not a financial advice. This is CoinCodex, but they are predicting us a nice future for Bitcoin. So what's going on with the Bitcoin rainbow chart? You can see it. We are here on the downside, on the dark blue side, basically a fire sale, and we are fighting with the light blue. You can see this, that's the buy zone. Now we are still in a fire sale zone, and we're fighting with the buy zone. And if you're watching this here on buy, you can see the clear resistance is 23,750. And yes, of course, that's a big resistance. We are fighting with this resistance if we are watching the Bitcoin rainbow price chart. So now, I told you on the beginning of the video, I will show you the volume profile. What's going on with the volume profile? Guys, whale map is showing us this really nice. And we see it here, and we saw it here. Big wicks here. Look at this. Big wicks from the side is coming. And this is maybe a nice sign for a bottom. But what is this, what we are watching now? And I would like to show you this with this one. Volume profile shows prices at which the current set of Bitcoins was acquired by wallets on the blockchain. I will show you a little bit more because it's really interesting. The volume bars, this one here. The volume bars on the right-hand side of your screen are meant to give you a quick view of the price levels where our accumulation has taken place. Bigger bars means more accumulation. And if we are watching this one here, we can see the bigger bars here on this point. We saw here more accumulation, and yes, of course, that's maybe a sign for a bottom building, guys. Maybe 18,000, 19,000 was a nice bottom for Bitcoin, and maybe we're going up here. But guys, attention, if we are watching this one here, we saw also a big accumulation here, big accumulation. And what happened? We broke down again, and that's also here possible. So on the one side, yes, big accumulation, nice bottom building. On the other side, look at the history. We broke it to the downside. So that's the big stuff for the volume profile. It's really, really interesting to watch because they are showing us for the most times really nice entry points with these long entries. So what's going on with our crypto, with our candlestick patterns? You can see here the monthly time frame, and on the monthly time frame we have no bullish or no bearish candlestick pattern. On the weekly, no bullish, no bearish. On the day, and look at this, we have a doji star, a bullish doji star, and a dragonfly doji. Bullish reversal, medium reliability that we are going up, and we have here yesterday abundant baby bullish and the morning star that are bullish patterns. You see it, we went down here, we saw these bullish patterns, now we are going up to the upside. That's looking not so bad. Guys, before we watch the chart, please watch this. If you want to get 100 USDT extra, please join Binance. If you would like to trade, join Binance and use my referral link. You will get 100 USDT. I will become 100 USDT with this link. So you will support me and you will support you. Guys, it's really dangerous to trade. Every trading platform is dangerous. Binance is one of the greatest, but every trading platform is dangerous. It's possible to lose all of your money. So before you start to trade, please watch a lot of things, read a lot of things, and after this, make the decision that you want to trade and use only money you are able to lose, guys. That's really important. But if you would like to trade with Binance, I'm trading since 6 years with Binance. Everything is perfect here, and you can use my referral link, so I will become some extra money and you also. Now let's check this one. I will make it fast for you guys. This is the 4-hour time frame. Before we speak the 4-hour time frame, let's check really quick the daily time frame, because you can see it here. The big fat red downtrend, the big fat red resistance line. You can see it here. It was a support. We went up again. Here we broke it. Here you see the rejection. So, okay, it's working really good. And now it is a really big enemy for us. It's a big resistance. We need to break. I want to break free. We need to break through this resistance line. That's really important. So zoom in a little bit more. What's going up? We saw a nice green candle yesterday, a nice triangle. We broke out to the upside. Now we can check the 4-hour time frame, because in the 4-hour time frame we see it better. We broke through the triangle to the upside. The technical target for breaking out to the upside is 27,000. Why? Because this line here, from the highest point to the lowest point here, is our target zone. And if we are using this line here for the breakout, it is 27,200, 100. This is our next big target. But guys, we need to break through this fat resistance. For the moment, we are not through, and for the moment, we are building lower highs. On the other side, yes, of course, we are building higher lows. You can see it here. It's going up to the upside. Okay. But this is dangerous because this is a really big resistance. What else is important? And that's the Fibonacci from the start point, from the highest point here to the lowest point. You can see it now where we are fighting. We are fighting with 0.66 Fibonacci and 0.618 Fibonacci. And that's the next big thing. For the most times, we will break down from here, guys, because we are in a downtrend. We are now on this point. A lot of guys went in a long position here, and a lot of guys are selling maybe this point. But it is possible to break through. After this, we have the next resistance, 0.786 Fibonacci, the price about 23,500. And after this, we have this resistance line. And if we can break through this, we have here 24,300. It is the last high here. So we need to break through a lot of things. Today, I will not make it too long for you guys. That's really important in my opinion. One thing what I would like to show you is the weekly time frame. And one thing I would like to show you is the MFI, Money Flow Index indicator on the weekly time frame. Why? Look at this. We saw an oversold MFI. A lot of guys went in a long position here. Now we are on 20.6 points. Not oversold anymore, but low, really low. We have a lot of place to the upside, a lot of place to the upside. And yes, of course, why not to go up more and more from here? But attention, on the other side, we have the daily time frame. Here on the daily side, we are really close about the overbought level here. The overbought is everything over 80 points. We have reached 69.6 for the moment. We're going down a little bit. And that's maybe a dangerous situation now that we are going down. Maybe from here, I think a lot of guys would take profit here. I also took profit here a little bit on these important Fibonacci levels. I'm still in with a long position, but I took a little bit profit from my nice little long from the downside. And now I'm waiting what's going on here. Guys, that's a quick update for Bitcoin. That was a quick thing about the volume profile. I hope you can use this information, guys, for your own tradings. I wish you the best of luck. And guys, one thing I would like to show you, they banned me on Twitch. My Bitcoin trading information live stream is banned. They banned me on July the 20th, and they told me they banned me because I am using malware, I am sharing malware, and I'm using bad homepages, bad, how should I say, things. I have only used this trading view things and everything you need for trading. No malware, no bad things. So I don't know what's really going on. I'm wrote to Twitch to help me, please, because I'm banned. I don't know why, but they did not answer me since over 1 week. So I'm streaming now over crypto trading information. Please, if you want to if you want to see this stream, use Twitch TV crypto trading information or YouTube. I'm still on YouTube. And you can see here my live stream, what's going on for the moment. It is bullish, it is bearish. We can see nice news here every time updated. We can see here on the downside, the book map, what's going on. Where are the sell walls? Where are the buy walls? A lot of information here. For the moment, we should buy a 50 minutes time frame. Here is on the left side, agro trade. You can see here, are we going long? More guys are going long or short. You can see nice signals here. This buy signal was really interesting. It was working nice. We have a long here now because the ribbon band is changing into a green one. So 24 hours, 7 days a week, live since 2019. I am showing you this now on crypto trading information because they banned my Bitcoin trading information. I am writing with Twitch. I hope they will help me. If not, I don't know what to do. I had over 7,000 followers. Now I have only 600 here. It is really depressing, but okay, let's live. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Thanks for your support. It's not so much, but a little bit. Special thanks to Rudy, he's supporting me a lot. Special thanks to Angry Higgins, he's also supporting me a lot, and I wish you the best of luck. Have a nice time. Greetings, not a financial advice. Yours, Biti, your Bitcoin trading information. Bye.
System activated.